Hello and welcome to Mashable's Air Friday, where we air fry anything and everything in the name of deliciousness. And this week we are air frying oranges. So this week's recipe comes from the Jen Jones on TikTok, and it's a recipe for air fried oranges with some yogurt and some granola and some maple syrup. Basically, it's an idea for a really quick breakfast. So the first step is you're gonna take just your basic orange and cut thick slices. According to Jen Jones on TikTok, that's how she did it. So you wanna cut a slice sort of like this, nice and thick, and then we're gonna take the rind off, cut around the outside there, just so you have only the orange part and not any of the outside, because that's not really so fun to eat. So you're gonna want a nice little slice. I think if you could find a bigger orange than the little one I found at the store, that might be easier to do this kind of delicate surgery on, but nonetheless, we're gonna keep going with this. So we've got something like this, and I'm gonna repeat it a few times, and then we're gonna get them in the air fryer with some maple syrup and some cinnamon. Okay, so after some delicate surgery on oranges, we now have about 5 circular slices with the outer rind removed. What we're gonna do now is take some maple syrup and some cinnamon and kind of just lightly cover it. I'm gonna do one up here just for the viewers at home. Just a little bit of syrup, rub that in. And then we're gonna take some cinnamon and just get it covered. So a little bit of flavor added. So you can see, you can just kind of rub it in, spread it out. I'm gonna do that for the rest of them, and then they're gonna go in the air fryer at 400 degrees. I got my basket right here, and the oranges are gonna go in for 4 minutes at 400 degrees actually. So what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna take the oranges and just kind of drop them down. The recipe from TikTok says just 4 minutes in the air fryer to caramelize the maple syrup, get that cinnamon stuck on there, get all the sugars going. So there we go, and that's gonna go in the air fryer for just 4 minutes, and then we're gonna layer it with some yogurt and some granola, and we're off to the races. All right, so we've had orange slices with maple syrup and cinnamon in the air fryer for 4 minutes now at 400 degrees. They're finished cooking. The process now, according to the TikTok from the Jen Jones, is to take them out, layer in some yogurt and some granola, kind of like you're making a parfait, and chow down. They say it's a good, quick breakfast in the morning, so let's give it a whirl. Right here, I have just plain Greek yogurt. In the TikTok, they used plant-based yogurt. I'm sure that's fine as well. It's just what I had in the house. And then we have some granola. This is just a crunched up Nature Valley bar. Nothing fancy here, folks. And here are the cooked oranges. You can see they're kind of a little charred. They've got the cinnamon baked on here. They're very hot. My whole apartment smells like oranges and cinnamon, which isn't the worst thing in the world. So I'm gonna take a spatula and a plate, and we're just gonna layer. We're gonna build one right now. Gonna put a base orange down, like so. We're gonna take a little bit of yogurt and layer it, like so. We get another orange, just kind of stack it on top. And some more yogurt, and finish off with granola on top. That's how it's done on the TikTok, and that's how I'm gonna do it here. Here's what we got. The yogurt is already kind of melting under the heat of the oranges. So I'm gonna give it a quick bite before everything kind of falls apart. It immediately falls apart. Let's see. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of hot fruit. That's real hot fruit. It's okay. It's hot fruit with some cold yogurt and some granola. I mean, listen, Can I see somebody liking this? Sure. Is it gonna be my breakfast tomorrow? I don't think so. I've never had a hot orange before, and I don't think I'm gonna have one again. But there you have it. A viral TikTok recipe tasted for you. Maybe try it someday.